Hi guys, and welcome on into another episode. This is my mom's favorite pair of earrings. This is a replica. A really basic earring. It's just one head pin and an ear wire and some beads. So I think what makes this earring special is the coin pearl and the black spinel. And it's just a basic earring. So I'm gonna make those for you, and it's just gonna be quick and easy. So let's get started. I've got my little coin pearl here in front of me. I'm gonna make this earring two ways. I'm gonna do one with the coin pearl, and then I'm gonna do one with a mother of pearl coin, just to play, since it is such a quick demo. And I'm gonna use a sterling ball end head pin on the mother of pearl. I'm gonna use a flat head pin on the coin pearl one, because I don't love the ball end head pin on this specific earring for some reason. I think it doesn't feel right to me, so I'm gonna be using this one for this. Okay, and this is 3mm black spinel. We're gonna need our round nose plier, our flush cutter, and a chain nose or flat nose plier. So grab your head pin, put on your black spinel, put on your coin pearl, and then put on your next black spinel. This is so easy. But you know, maybe you haven't made jewelry before. This is how you make a loop. You're gonna take a round nose plier, and I like to use a small one. I like to use one with a very fine point because I don't know, I just like to have a little bit of a smaller loop for this. I just do. Grab just above the bead. We're gonna push that away from us. And then I'm gonna move my plier while holding this in my hand. I'm gonna move my plier back just a little bit beyond the bend and roll it back towards me. Bring that tail down and around. And there's the start of your little loop. And we are gonna go ahead and make a coil on that. I like to hold that loop in my round nose plier. Just be careful. And then with my plier, I'm just gonna wrap this around to a coil. Wrap 3 times. Keep in mind that if you are using an ear wire like this, you'll want your loop to be facing the right way, like that. Take your flush cutter and use the back side of it. If you have plier 61, it's gonna be the silver side. Trim that off. And then you can kind of tuck the tail in with your plier as you fill the space in, so that your coin pearl's not spiraling around your head pin when you wear it. It kind of fixes that bead in place, so it's always facing forward, which I kind of like to do for these. And then I'm going to take my sterling ear wires, open up a little loop, and put it on. And that's it. I had no idea when I made these that they were gonna be in her ears for so long. She just loves them. And because they're sterling silver, they've oxidized. And I think I have had to switch out the ear wires before for her, but it's just, I love this in an oxidized sterling silver look too. It's just gorgeous. I'm gonna do that just one more quick time with a different center bead, a different head pin, just just because. So this is a ball and head pin here. We're gonna slide our black spinel on and a mother of pearl coin. A little bit different, but still pearl. And then another black spinel bead. Okay. Once again, grab your round nose plier, hold just above the bead and make a bend this way, away from you. And then kind of hold the head pin, readjust your round nose plier just beyond the bend, and holding everything in place, you just roll it back till it's pointing at you. Bring the tail down and around. And there's the start of your loop. I switch hands here at this point. Hold the loop in my round nose plier. And I love to use, this is a great tool to help you move to make your coil. Just do 3 coils. Excuse me. And then you're gonna trim that off in the back using your flush cutter. And once again, I like to do a little, when I tuck in that tail, you can squeeze it so that it keeps your coin bead from spiraling out of control as you wear it, if that makes sense. It keeps it fixed. And then last but not least, we're gonna grab our little ear wire. Just open that up, slide on your dangle and close. And that's it. So cute. So there you have it. Which style do you like better? If you need to pick up any of the tools or supplies we used today, check out the links in the description below. And while you're there, leave a comment and let us know what kind of jewelry you like to make. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be alerted for future episodes. Thanks for watching.